Hi everybody, I'm Hannes.
And I'm Laura.
And we are...
Laha.
Exactly.
Welcome to another escapade.
Last week we printed some cassette tapes, hand pulled, and they looked really good, and my wife wanted to try out some postcards, I guess, or greeting cards.
Greeting cards.
I haven't seen them yet.
Yeah, the big unveil.
Let's watch first how she did it. Now the big reveal.
So,
let's have a look.
I made 3 cards. This was one of the first ones. Okay, have a look.
Okay.
See what you think.
A retro style.
I did all 3 in a retro style because it just seemed to fit quite well. I quite liked it. So I did one birthday card, which is this one. We left a space at the top, like how we used to put stickers on the cassettes and write what was on there, our mixtapes, and wrote happy birthday on this one.
Okay.
And then the next one was just one with hello, also used a retro paper. I cut this one out much more closely to the actual print, and I actually preferred that, it looked much better.
Yep.
With the first one I left a bit of a white border because I thought it might make it stand out a bit more, but actually after I did the second one it would have looked nicer if I'd cut it out a bit.
The writing is much nicer. Actually fits in the caption here as well. The hello.
I didn't have a stamp though, I had to write.
Okay, third one.
And then the third one, I just kind of did one in a bit of a border. So I did want to have it just black and white, but after playing around with it, it didn't quite work, so I put a little bit of colour behind it. Unfortunately, the stamp didn't quite fit in that one as well as I hoped, but it still looks quite good.
Yeah.
So out of the 3, my favourite is this one.
Yeah, it is.
Is that yours as well? Yeah. This
Definitely.
is always the way with card making. There's always one
the
that
white
works.
border maybe is a bit disturbing me on that one.
And that one I like. It's a bit different. It's a bit darker, but still looks good. So yeah, those are my 3. If you want to let us know which one you like the best, then leave us a comment. Thanks for watching, and tune in next week for our next video.
Yep. Don't forget to subscribe at some point. See you next week. Ciao.
Bye.